go help him, Junior.
Oh, he's giving him a massage.
Junior's like, here I come. Nope.
Cover my view.
Now, if that ain't a good dog, I don't know what is.
Duke's just Duke.
Yeah. He's a good dog.
Oh, yeah.
It's like, I don't know why. It's like, but you know what?
Who?
I would rather have him than any of them, because look at what the kids can do and they don't get nipped at or nothing.
Yeah.
No, Junior. No. It's like, hey man, that's my bag of shit. You get out of there. That's fine, I'm gonna take it up then.
Junior.
Say Duke. Duke. Who's tail wagging? Whoa. Did you kick him off?
Go get him, Gabe. Go get him.
Come here, Gabe. Come here. Hold on. Hold on right here. Kick like a horse. There, hold on. Look at it. Hold on. Good boy, Duke. He's a good boy. Oh. So let's go for a ride, man. Come on, let's do it. What? Again? Duke's like, yeah, sure.